All right, this is a quick tutorial. When you're editing your WordPress website, it can be really annoying when you have this black bar showing up at the top because sometimes it will block off parts of the website that you want to see. And so I just want to show you really quickly how to update this or fix this. So while you're up here, you go up here to the top, you click on Edit Profile. Then you scroll down and you'll see Toolbar, Show Toolbar when viewing site. I uncheck that. Scroll down to the very bottom of the screen, click Update Profile. Then when I go back to the site, I click Visit Site. Stupid thing out of there. And now it's gone. So that's how you edit that. The complication will be then editing the page. You'll have to have multiple windows open. So I would just go back. I would have, if I'm editing the home page, I would go to Pages and then get the home page on the back end open. So then I can go back and forth and I can see, gosh, that's annoying. I can see back and forth how it's going to work, but that's how to turn off that profile toolbar. Thanks a lot.